In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a client logo into a Lovable project and make sure it looks great across light and dark header themes. To get started, the first thing you need is the right logo file. Ask your client for high-resolution assets, ideally in SVG format or as a transparent PNG. SVG files are usually the best option because they stay sharp at any size and tend to work well in responsive layouts. If you only have a PNG, make sure the background is transparent so the logo blends cleanly into the header without an unwanted box or color behind it. Starting with a good quality asset will save you time later and help the final result look much more professional. Once you have the logo files ready, the next step is to bring them into your project. You can either upload the assets directly into the prompt box if your workflow supports that, or place them inside the public assets folder @public/assets. Keeping files in that location makes them easier to reference consistently inside the project. Whichever option you choose, just make sure the file names are clear and organized so there's no confusion when you prompt Lovable to use them. After the logo is available, prompt Lovable to insert the client logo into both the light and dark versions of the header. This is an important detail because a logo that looks perfect on a light background may not be visible enough on a dark one, and the same issue can happen in reverse. Be clear in your prompt that the logo should work well in both themes. If the client has separate versions of the logo for light and dark backgrounds, make sure those are the files being referenced. If there is only one version, it should still be placed in a way that maintains strong visibility and preserves the design. Finally, adjust the logo size responsively using Tailwind classes to match the design requirements. A common setup is to use H8 for smaller screens and MDH12 for medium screens and above. This helps the logo stay balanced across devices without becoming too large on mobile or too small on desktop. As you apply those dimensions, pay attention to how the logo aligns with the rest of the header content. Clean spacing and proper scale make a big difference in the overall polish of the interface. That's the full process. Start with high-resolution assets, add them into the project, prompt Lovable to place the logo in both header themes, and fine-tune the responsive height with Tailwind so everything looks consistent and professional.